It'll go down. Oh, too quick on the reaction there, Jason.
Yeah, mine's not going down. That one.
Yeah, baby. What a fight. Barely bending the pole.
That's smaller than the other one.
That's okay. I don't mind how small. Look at that. I mean, I'm catching it right in the top lip, though. I mean, that's where you want to catch them. Alright guys, today we are doing some bluegill slaying. Oh yeah, nice pretty little bluegill. Right on. Alright,
You're gonna have to help me.
oh yeah. These guys are so spiny. Oh here, let me fix your bait. Oh, looks good. So all I did was I took a craw lizard thing and cut off the tail, and there it goes right there. Ah! Oh, I caught a bush. Come on. Da-da-da. Well, you found us a nice little hole over here. Ah, Jason.
They're giving you the bites that they're kind of find.
See, I think the kids would enjoy doing something like this, you know?
Right.
Because it's a lot of action. You're catching fish. Doesn't matter if they're small. Take the bait. Oh, that's a bigger fish. Take the bait. Take it. Ah. Well, he's swimming over towards yours now. Maybe the bait's. Ooh! You see that? Two of them came up at the same time for it. All right, that's a bigger one. All right. Oh, I don't want to take all the slime off you. Should probably pull out my pliers again. There we go. Yay! Is that 5?
Yeah.
Yes! Now I got fish slime all over my hands. That's a great feeling. Nah, now I got all over my pants. I want to know if there's any bluegill in here bigger than 4 inches. That's 6. Ooh, he's bigger. Hey there, big guy. Oh, just barely hooked you. That's weird. His spot isn't developed. It's like brown. Seven.
Ooh, that's the side of the mouth. Oh, there's his black spot. Hey there, pretty guy. That was the side of the mouth, which is where all the meat is. Swim away, little fishy, swim away.
My question is, if you going for yours, we're not gonna touch mine anymore.
I don't know what I gotta do to actually hook up with one of these things. Just a light hook set is all it takes.
I'll give you a fight.
Is that 7?
8.
8? Ooh, he's been caught before. His lips all tore up. It attacked my bobber. It didn't go for the bait. It's like, I'm gonna go after this big orange thing. Ooh, that's bigger. Ooh, that's a big one. Yeah. Woo-wee. Was that 9?
Yeah, that's 9.
Yeah, baby. See ya. Like, I barely had a hook set at all. All I did was raise the tip. More or less just to see, okay, is there a fish on it or not? Oh, there's a fish on it. Great. That's a little dinky.
That's the tiniest one we got yet.
Tiniest one. Hey, that's okay. It tells you that their eyes are bigger than their mouths because he can't even get the stupid thing into his mouth. Oh, come on. Try casting out towards where I am too, because they may. Oh. Boy, that thing just took that and ran. He is an angry little gill. Is that 11?